Updating your payout destination on WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to update the payout destination. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iOS to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down list. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Tap on it to access your payment settings where you can manage your payout information. Step 4. Update payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ishraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the new payout destination, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on WhatsApp. Make sure to keep your payment information secure and up to date for seamless transactions.